Today let's solve Leetcode 21, merge linked list. Merge two sorted linked lists. So basically we have two linked lists that have already been sorted. And then what is being asked of us is to merge them in that sorted order as well, right? So basically to sort this, right, even if it's just an array, we can say this is L1 and L2, right? First we compare the first two. Just by looking at it, we compare the first two and then we pick the smallest one. In this case they are both the same, so we just pick one. Let's say we pick the first one, and then this one moves here now. So now we are sitting here, and so we compare this one and this one. We know this one is the smallest, so we add that one, right? And now this one moves here. Now we compare both of them, right? Now we know this one is the smallest one, so we get that 2, and now this one moves here. Then we compare this one and this one. Now we know 3 is the smallest, so we pick 3. Now this one now moves here, and then we have this one and this one. They are equal, so we pick one of them, and then after that it's just left with this one, right? Because now this one points to now, and this one still has 1. In that case, we just have no choice but just to add the last one, right? So basically that is what we are going to do. But in order to do that smoothly and without too much complexity, we set up a fake head that is 0, and then we start appending to 0.next, right? Fake head.next. So all of these will be added to fake head.next, and then we just return fake head.next. That way we exclude the 0 and just start returning from 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, right? That is how we are going to handle the situation. So let's look at how we're going to write this code. So first, what are we supposed to do here? Let's create our fake head. And we can put any value in there. It doesn't really matter. We are going to ignore it when we are printing out, when we are returning our results anyway, right? So we say current is equal to fake head. So now while list 1 and list 2, if list 1's value is less or equal to list 2 value, then current.next is equal to list 1. And now we're going to shift list 1 forward by a step, right? So list 1 is now going to be list 1 dot next. Else the opposite is true, so current dot next is now going to be equal to list 2, and list 2 is now going to be equal to list 2 dot next. In any case, current has to shift, right? So current.next. Now, if we get to a point where this one, we are done with all of this, in this case, the bottom one is all done, but the top one still has a value, right? Or the vice versa. Whatever is left, we will need to be adding that to the list as well. So current.next is equal to list one if list one is not none, else we just add list two, right? And then we return figurehead dot next. That way we exclude the 0 that we put in here, right? So list 2. All right, so this is how you solve merging two linked lists, two sorted linked lists. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.